Why do 70% of GRE takers stumble on vocabulary? Because they miss words like entitlement. Let's fix that today. So, what exactly is entitlement? It's the belief that you inherently deserve certain privileges or special treatment. Think about it like this: a VIP pass at a concert. That pass gives you special access, just like entitlement gives you access to certain rights or privileges. Example 1. Imagine you're at work, and you think you deserve a promotion just because you've been there longer. That's a sense of entitlement. Example 2. Or you might feel entitled to a good grade because you studied hard. Effort doesn't always equal entitlement. Example 3. In politics, entitlement programs are government benefits that people believe they're owed, like Social Security. You'll not only recognize it in reading passages, but also use it accurately in essays. So embrace the vocab grind. Because with every new word, you're earning your own intellectual VIP pass. Catch you next time.